Okay, so here's a little project we got going on here. Sorry about the darkness, but we gotta go down in here into the dungeon. I've already done a lot of work. I already had the concrete saws in here. What I'm doing is I'm knocking that wall out there and getting that furnace out, digging down and going excavating. It's really low down here. Excavating that stuff out and that, and carrying it up through the crawl space, through the house, and loading it into the back of the truck. Using a quick cut down here, not a real good idea because of the carbon monoxide. It's a little tight in there, and not an easy job. That's why none of the furnace guys wanted to do it. But I mean, there's an 8-pound sledge right there, so that's what we're looking at for clearance. Not much clearance, and we need a whole lot more, and I've already taken out a whole bunch of loads of stuff out of there. So yeah, that's what keeps me busy.